Good morning. Today is day 2 at Niagara Falls. We are up and awake, not so early. It's around 9:45 I think now. So we'll go down and have some breakfast. In this hotel they said they don't have like a complimentary breakfast, but they have a Starbucks bistro where you can have some coffee and some snacks they have. So we'll go and check out that. And after that we are going to go to the state park for our Maid of the Mist. We'll do that first and then other activities. So we'll bring you along. So let's get going. Say good morning. Good morning. Did you have a good sleep? Avnish said that the beds are just so comfortable. And we slept in actually. We woke up quite late. We are usually up by 7:30, 8. But today I woke up at 9. Okay, let's go. So we have ordered some bagel, which is not here. Some bagel and coffee and some croissants Amni will have. Okay. So the kitchen is closed now. We are a bit late. So they don't have the eggs and all now. So tomorrow we'll try to come a little bit earlier. Such a huge Jenga tower. We are walking again to the state park, Niagara State Park. Beautiful morning today also. Doesn't look like it's going to be raining today. But you never know about the weather. First boat at 9, last boat at 7:30. Okay, let's go.
Wow, look at the color of the water.
That's where we are going. They'll probably give us ponchos to wear. You can see there's a tent where people are entering without ponchos and they're coming out with the ponchos. This side, they're transforming.
Oh, we can feel the mist all the way here.
There's one boat which is leaving. Wow, that's a big one. And another one which is arriving.
You know, these boats started in 1846.
Wow. And we are going to go inside the tent now and get transformed. We are all ready to go in.
Can I get my hair wet? Can I wash my hair wet?
It's a big boat. So much space. It's not crowded at all.
New, all-electric Maid of the Mist. For your safety,
All-electric.
life jackets and printed instructions on how to wear them are stored and displayed in various locations. Thousands of yearly visitors. And we know we have a responsibility. If you look to your left, you'll see the American Falls. It is 180 feet high, or about 55 meters. 12,000 years ago, the falls were 7 miles, or about 11 kilometers downriver at Lewiston. You see them now at their present location because of erosion. This happens at a rate of approximately 6 feet, or 2 meters a year. Most of the rock in all situations, allowing the boats to rotate 360 degrees horizontally. Life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost as satisfied.
It's all misty. It's all misty. Wow.
No, we're not done with Niagara.
Now we are going to the crow's nest. And there it is, the falls right there behind. Anusha leading the way. What is happening? to live here?
You wanted to go to water park, remember?
This is a real water park. Okay?
Let's move. Let's go.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how the vlogger is. The vlogger is completely wet. Okay, I didn't take out my phone, so I'm okay. How was your experience going to the crow's nest and the Maid of the Mist? Totally worth it. You should definitely visit.
But
It's like better than the water park, I think.
yeah, but you should get your ponchos with you
Yeah,
when going.
yeah. So you should keep your ponchos if you're going to go up there, and it's beautiful there. That's called the crow's nest. So I'm finally taking out my phone, and we'll take some pictures here, and then we'll go ahead. Let's see what we're gonna do. It's 12:47 already. I don't know
Time
where the
flew
time just flew by.
We're now leaving the visitor center, Prospect Point, and the American Falls. Our next stop is going to be on Goat Island for the Cave of the Winds storage strip, the Luna Island observation point for the American and Bridal Veil Falls, and parking lot number 2.
This is such a nice spot to come and sit. Wow. So we are in the trolley now. It runs inside the state park. Yeah. Niagara Falls State Park trolley.
Yeah. Seems pretty cool. Is it a...
We are going over the falls.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
How cool.
That's nice. For this you have to come to America. You can't do this in Canada. Go over the falls. Over the river rather. This is the Goat Island. So the trolley loops around Goat Island. Yeah, look at this house.
That live here.
Wow.
We are now arriving at the Cave of the Winds, Luna Island, and parking lot 2.
Okay. So not the bridal. Yeah.
This is Terrapin Point.
From there, the path extends all the way back further than the viewing area, halfway down the island to get
Wow.
views of the Canadian Rapids. And you can see those from the Three Sisters Island stop, which is coming up next.
Wow. Nice. We'll come here later.
Flock of geese actually flying right by us. They look much more majestic once they get going as compared to once they start to fly.
We ordered lunch now. from this food stall. It's called Everest Cafe. So our lunch is here. Some onion rings and a lot of like junk food kind of things. We are having some junk food today. In the evening we'll have Indian food again. This is I think the spicy burger.
This is onion
That
ring.
one maybe is the vegetarian burger.
Yeah.
This is your nugget.
This is onion ring.
Yeah.
I'ma try.
This one is the
No.
grilled chicken burger. Grilled
No.
chicken burger.
Can I try?
Yeah.
It's good.
This one is the spicy chicken burger. This one, other one is the vegetarian.
Fries, the fries.
This is vegetarian burger. Rice.
Look up, Nate. Look at this up, Nate.
After lunch, we took the trolley and we have come to the Terrapin Point and Horseshoe Falls. This is on the Goat Island, which is an island just adjacent to the Niagara Falls. And there's the trolley going. You can take that trolley which loops around the island, and it's a hop on hop off trolley, so you can visit the various points of the Goat Island. So here we are at Terrapin Point and Horseshoe Falls. Wow. Come, let's go see. So that's the Horseshoe Falls. Remember in the morning we were in the boat which went inside the Horseshoe Fall here, and we got all wet.
And now I'm dry.
Now we are going to see it from here. Look at another, the boat is going. So we were one of them in the morning there.
They're gonna get
And the, yeah.
They're gonna scream.
And they are getting ready for that big drench.
Yep.
They say it's misty inside. It's not misty. It's actually, you get quite wet if you are not careful.
Let's watch the boat go.
It's a nice place. This is a must visit place. Seriously. Oh yeah, there is a funicular. Oh yeah. So what does it do? It brings you down. Oh, for the mist, made of the mist. It brings you down. Okay, cool. That's Canada, by the way. There's a wheel over there. There's a big tower. And there are some resorts over here. We are going in the mist. Now we are going towards Three Sisters Island. Let's see how that Three Sisters Island looks like. The water is right here in front.
That right there.
Yeah, there are signs everywhere that don't go in the water, because you could actually go in the water. But if you go in the water, you will be dead. You will be dead for sure. This is the first sister island.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that one is the first one.
Oh, we went the wrong way around.
Water is just gushing from everywhere. Huh? Yeah, the falls is right there. That's the Horseshoe Fall. Yeah, right there. This is the small little island, first island. Cute island. I will say this is cute island. You can see the force of nature, what it really means.
Which means that they are completely unsurvivable rapids. Class 6 rapids are also extremely rare in America, as there's only 3 sets of them in the entire country year-round.
They should keep one stop outside also.
Yeah.
इतना जाता ही है.
So we went to the goat island, and I think we'll go back to the hotel now. We are a little bit tired. We'll rest for a while and we'll come back later for fireworks at night. We are waiting for some food, and Avni is doing her own vlog.
No, for you. For you guys.
So this is the Starbucks bistro downstairs. So there's a seating here. You can order some food here, have some drink. There's television. It's a nice ambience. It's raining outside, so we thought we'll just have something here and step out rather than finding a restaurant now. But Avni wants the noodles which we had yesterday. They were really yummy, it seems. So we will pack those noodles also later. Food is here. Anusha has ordered some tomato soup, her favorite. And Avni will try this flatbread chapati. Here is my french fries has been taken by Avni. So my french fries is there. But this is the buffalo chicken sandwich. Okay, we quickly had dinner. We are back at the park. It's 9:59. Apparently there are fireworks at 10 o'clock. Hope it happens today, but we are rushing.
I saw lightning.
It's 9:59.
Oh, it's happening! It's happening!
We made it!
Yes! In the nick of time.
That's my daddy.
Thank you, Target man.
Perfect timing.
Thank you, Target man.
Yeah, perfect timing. Huh?
Now we are going to see the illumination.
Oh,
the
wait,
falls
there's
illumination.
there's an illumination.
Don't switch on the flashlight.
What illumination?
The Niagara Falls, they're lit up. Let's go and see how it looks.
These fireworks also on the American side, I think.
Avni wanted to eat some of the noodles. chips. Avni wanted to eat some noodles, so we went and packed some noodles. This is like, this place is like so convenient for Indians. There are so many Indian stalls here. You'll get Indian food very easily. Everything is not like super great, but it's good. We found decent food. So now we are going to the observation deck. We'll just hang out there for 10-15 minutes and then we will get going back to the hotel. This is how the park looks at night. It's pretty well lit. It's very lively, well lit. A lot of people are around, so you can easily come. And it's around 10:25 right now at night. Oh, look at the lights on the clouds. I'm seeing this after a long time. Those lights are coming from Canada. We knew it's going to rain, so we have brought umbrellas. We are back to the hotel, safe and sound in the rain. And Avni is going to try her noodles. Okay, Avni's reaction, she is quite upset about it.
No.
Is it like yesterday? The yesterday's veggie noodles were very good.
Okay.
Good? Okay. Enjoy.
With the paneer.
Enjoy the paneer. How is the paneer? Okay. So we had an eventful day today. We started our day with getting wet. We are ending our day with a little bit getting wet. Thankfully we had umbrellas, so it's fine. Tomorrow is another day. Now tomorrow we have to see what we want to do. Anusha wants to explore a bit more. She doesn't want to go to the state park again. We were thinking we will do the aquarium. Let's see. So tomorrow's plan is not yet fixed. So we will end the vlog for today here. Hope you enjoyed our vlog. We'll see you in our Niagara Falls vlog tomorrow. Good night.
Bye bye.
She's just so busy with the noodles.